So once you're done with your website and once you're done with your content, and if you have built traffic, the third important challenge for you is to build a funnel. What exactly do I mean by funnel? Is actually a sales funnel. Now, what does a sales funnel do? Sales funnel helps you to convert a potential prospect into a buyer. So that's what a sales funnel will be able to do. Even if you have not done much on the content as well as and the traffic, the key important thing that you should really look out is your funnel, because the funnel helps you to convert. In fact, all these things are interconnected. Now, only if you have a great design and content, and if you have very good traffic inbuilt, you have a lot of good qualified leads which is coming to your sales funnel. And your sales funnel, you'll be able to convert them into a paid customer. And in fact, this entire funnel is nothing but building value to your offering and building value to your prospects and customers. So learn this important thing first immediately and put into action.